how to change the Facebook message option in your Messenger. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video and let's get started. So first you need to open your Messenger app. Here you need to click on the three lines in the top left corner and click on settings. So scroll down until you find privacy and safety. Here go to message delivery and it will show you several options of people who can contact you in this particular app. So there are people who have your number, people who are friends of your friends, people who are in your Facebook groups, or other people in Facebook basically. So you can change it according to your preferences, just like that. And that's how you basically change the message options in Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.